Welcome, beautiful soul, to this full body stretch as an act of self-care to gently open your hips, lengthen your hamstrings, and release any tension in your body. We don't always stretch, and I don't like to do it alone. So I created this stretch so we can do it together. I invite you find a comfortable space and come to lie down on your back, closing your eyes, taking a deep, slow breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. And again, inhale deeply, filling your body with breath, and exhale, letting your body soften into the mats. And this session is also great to do after a workout or another yoga flow. And with each breath, arrive fully in this present moment. And bring your awareness in your right leg and draw your right knee into your chest. Interlace your fingers around your shin, keeping your left leg extended. And then slowly circle your right ankle in one direction, and then the other. And maybe you move your right knee a little bit, creating space in your hips. And then open your right knee out to the side. Hold for a few deep breaths. You creating space in your hip joint. And meet yourself where you are today. And then bring your knee back to center and extend your leg long. And we repeat this on the left side. So draw your left knee into your chest, interlacing your fingers around the knee or the shin. And then circle your left ankle in one direction. And then the other direction. And move your knee and your hip joint a little bit from side to side. If you did this on the other side and it feels right, on the left side too. And then open your left knee out to the side, holding for a few breaths, creating space in the hip joint. And then bring your left knee back to center and extend it long on the mat. And then hug both your knees into your chest, gently rocking from side to side to massage your lower back. And now we'll focus a little bit on our hamstrings. Mine can get really tight from time to time. So I love doing this stretch every day. Extend your right leg towards the ceiling, your left leg on the mat, and hold it behind the thigh or your calf or wherever you can reach. And then keep a micro bend in your knee if your hamstring feels tight. And then flex and point your toes a few times. And bending your knee a couple of times. And then lift your leg and hold the stretch for a few breaths. Bring your awareness in your hamstring and sending it love if it feels really tight. And then bend your knee for the last time. Take a deep breath in and out and extend it long on the mat. And then hug your left knee in and extend it towards the ceiling. Again, keep a micro bend in your knee if your hamstring feels tight. My left leg feels so much more tight than my right. So flex and point your toe a couple of times. And again, if it feels good, you can also bend and straighten the knee a few times, moving with your breath. So either flex and point or bend and straighten the knee. And then hold the stretch at the top. Breathing some love into this hamstring. And bend your knee, hug it in, maybe kiss your knee, and extend it long on the mat. And then roll onto your side or roll up into a seated position and extend your legs forward, mat width apart. And then gently fold over your legs, rounding your spine. And then moving back up, stacking your spine straight. And we repeat this motion for a couple of times. Breathing out, folding, reaching, and rounding. And inhale, sitting straight back up, stacking your spine straight. 2 more times on your own. And come and sit straight up. Bring the soles of your feet together in butterfly pose. And hold your feet. And then we're gonna fly like a butterfly. So gently flutter your knees like butterfly wings. And see if you can sit tall with your shoulders relaxed, your face relaxed, maybe a slight smile on your lips. Sit bones pressing into the mat. Keep fluttering a bit more, creating space in your hips. This is great to do also as a break if you sit a lot during the day. And then hold still, sit tall, and inhale. And as you exhale, we twist to the right, placing your left hand on your right knee. Taking a few deep breaths. Twisting is also amazing to open the hips a little bit further. Everything in your body is connected. And take your last breath, return to center, and then we twist to the left, holding for 3 deep breaths. Relaxing your face, your shoulders away from the ears, sit bones rooted into Mother Earth, who is always there to support us. And come back to center. And let's meet into a tabletop position and step your right foot forward into a low lunge. And keep your left knee down. You can place a towel or something on your knee if it's sensitive. And then sink your hips gently forward. You can use blocks if your hips are really tight. And then place your hands on your knee and come straight up. And then inhale. Place your right hand on the mat and reach your left arm up and over, stretching through the side body. And this is really tight for me. So also practicing this stretch a lot more. Hold for a few more breaths. And then place your hands inside your foot and see if you can come a little bit deeper. Maybe move a little right to left. And then step your right foot back and step your left foot forward. Gently sink into your hips However far that is for you today, you are doing this, you're showing up. This is already amazing. And then inhale, place your hands on your left knee, pushing yourself up. Then place your left hand either on the floor or a block. Reach your right arm up and stretch to the left side for a deeper stretch. Take a few breaths. And then placing your hands inside of your foot. Can either hold still or bring a little movement in this position. And then step your left leg back. Bring your knees as wide as the mat and come into a child's pose for a moment. And then walk your hands to the right side of the mat. Take a deep breath and sigh it out. Walk your hands to the left side of the mat, taking a deep breath in and sigh it out. And make your way back to center and come and sit crossed-legged. And then place your right hand on the floor beside you and reach your left arm up and over, stretching your left side. We stay here for 3 deep breaths. And switch sides. Place your left hand on the floor beside you, lifting your right arm up and over, stretching our right side. And our side body is really important for balance. I often neglect this stretch, so I'm glad we're doing it together right now. And then come and sit tall, and then slowly drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Focus on the breath, on the present moment you are in. And then roll your chin down towards your chest, and then over to the left shoulder. Hold it here for a deep breath in and out. And then take 2 slow neck rolls, either in each direction or full neck rolls if that feels good for you. And then bring your hands to heart center, taking a deep breath in, either sigh it out or through the nose. Thank yourself for taking this time for your body and your well-being, and whisper to yourself, I am worthy of care. I am strong, soft, and whole. And whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe and share it with a friend who could use some self-care today. Thank you for being here, and as always, flow with love and peace.